In this video, we will look at how to open ArtiQuote, where we can produce a quote for the current design. We will select the pricing catalogues we wish to use for the quotation, and we will see how to select the default ranges and pricing factors for those catalogues. First, we need to make sure that the design we need to price up is open in ArtiCAD. Now, on the pricing menu, click ArtiQuote. The ArtiCAD pricing tool ArtiQuote opens. As this is our first time pricing this design, ArtiQuote asks us which catalogues we wish to use. Click Yes to select a catalogue. The Choose Catalogues dialog box opens. ArtiQuote has automatically added the custom pricing catalogue to the Selected Catalogues box. In a previous video, we imported our prices into this catalogue. We need this catalogue to be selected to access those imported prices in our quotation. Any new prices we specify whilst we work on the quote will also be saved in this pricing catalogue. Any manufacturer's catalogues that we have access to, such as through an ArtiQuote Plus subscription, will be listed here and can be selected for use when pricing a design. We are going to select Blue Sky, Cookwell and AC Worktops. Click Add. Click Apply to save this catalogue selection. Click Close to close the dialog box. The Default Ranges and Pricing Factors dialog box opens. In this dialog box, for each catalogue we selected to use, we need to specify the default range we want ArtiQuote to use when pricing this design and which pricing factor. All items that we specify prices for will have this range and discount by default. A different choice can be made for individual items in the design. Click OK. We can now see the main ArtiQuote window and we are ready to begin working on our quotation. Some items have been priced automatically for us based on the catalogues we selected. If we find we have forgotten to add a catalogue that we needed, or we added the wrong one, click Choose Catalogues to return to the Choose Catalogues dialog box. Items which have been priced using one of the selected catalogues are listed here to help you as you adjust your catalogue selection. When the selection is correct, click Close. If you need to change what you have set as the default ranges and pricing factors, click Defaults. The Default Ranges and Pricing Factors dialog box opens. I'm going to set the custom pricing catalogue to use Range 2 and a 10% discount throughout this design. Click OK to close the dialog box. In this video, we learned to use the Pricing menu to start ArtiQuote. First, we choose the catalogues we wish to use for our quotation. Then we set the default ranges and pricing factors for those catalogues. To change our mind about those choices later, we use the Choose Catalogues button to reopen the Choose Catalogues dialog box. We use the Defaults button to reopen the Default Ranges and Pricing Factors dialog.